Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Wednesday, October 7th, 2020. Taking a look at our homework video for this evening. In regular math, we've got practice 2.7b, followed by a Chapter 2 test that is coming up later this week. Extra credit number 2 is due Friday. Please see Google Classroom for this assignment. In the accelerated math, we have practice 4.3, as well as that same extra credit number 2 that is due Friday. For regular science, you're going to finish the virtual lab, Unit 6, Lesson 2. Accelerated science, you've got an assignment called Finding Elements that needs to be completed. When we look at social studies, same as yesterday, the Citizen of My Home Reflection that is due by Friday. Just a reminder that the rest of this week, today and the next 2 days, we'll be meeting in the library for social studies class to take the gifted screening test. In language arts, we've got our letter to our writing bully that we need to make some changes on and corrections after our meetings today. Make sure you get that turned back in. In literature, we've got 2 days left to meet our AR goal, your word search for regular lit that is on theme, that is due this Friday. All right. Then with the honors class, you need to have your Seed Folks book finished by Friday, as well as your character summaries completed and submitted by 3 p.m. this Friday as well. For those of us in Career and Life and FCS 6, there is no homework. Everyone have a fantastic Wednesday, and we'll see you tomorrow.